All yo niggas look broke as fuck. It's Polo. Yeah, I got a chocolate Dutch.
It's on the ground.
To this day, I don't give a fuck. All I do is roll weed. And these hoes be thirsty. Hit her with a Gatorade, bitch. I'm hella paid. I'm smoking loud. I need a hearing aid. I got a Glock 9 and an AK, aka kill the game. I got money all on my membrane, bitch. I'm insane. I'm LeBron James when I hop up on the beat. I got two hoes sound like two cheat. I know you mad, nigga. I don't give a fuck. I'm going dumb. Bad bitches gonna let me fuck. She say, damn, that's a nice thumb. And I ain't talking hands. I'm kicking it, but I ain't from Japan. What else should I say? Ballin' like New England Patriots ain't them hottest shit. Taking the shit in the porta potty. Bad bitches all on my dick, cause they know soon I'ma have a Bugatti with Range Rovers and Panameras on candy camera, getting hella head cause I'm sick as cancer. Ooh, call me, don't get an answer, don't panic. Why these niggas hating? Cause I'm hot as Satan. Yeah, I told them they forsaken like a doctor's office. Have patience. And then your floor get like mine. Skateboard on my grind. These hoes fall in love like Valentine's. This ain't the day. No February 14th. Bitches hating. It's Friday the 13th cause I kill this shit. Yeah, nigga, momentarily you might be hot, but I'm on the block and I clutch Glocks hot as stove tops. And these niggas talk till they get hit and they head drop. Hit the floor, kitchen mops. I'm going dumb and I'm sorry. I got game like a tyrant, and I smoke loud on the DB, nigga feeling like Bob Marley. Stop it, but a nigga can't. I got the Mary Poppins, I'm selling white and I'm shopping. All this crack I be copping. Woo, my son, he fresh to death, but he ain't died, and that's no lie. And these niggas talk too much. Young nigga, I stay fly like Eds. Polo can't kill it. Yo, I just killed that shit. Okay, let me run it back like a running back. I clutch the Glock cause I serve the sack. And these niggas talk, but I been there and done that. I get brain nigga, Florida F-cat. You niggas talk, I'm like F that. If you ain't got guap or straight racks, then why you that loud pack? You ain't really bother, you talk. Bitch, I got birds like hawks. Niggas stay clutching their hammers, but still get shot in their jaw. I say I close the dope cause I got the dope and I spit cocaine on the DB. All these hoes wanna fucking eat my dick like EBT. I got dreams of BET. These niggas mad cause I ain't sleep. You niggas can't fuck with me. We keep them hammers like Thor, of course. And bitch, I'm at your fucking door with a 4-4 and like 4 hoes and 4 goons all daily. We kill these niggas, they mad at us cause we come through, we crazy. We shoot up the blocks. I don't know. Like Idaho. I smash a hoe, it ain't gravy like potatoes. These niggas talk, but I ain't bothered to beat none cut off or no shit. And I'm finna keep flowing. These niggas just pussy like motherfucking cats and kittens. That's the same damn thing. But who gives a fuck? Same damn thing. I be doing this shit, my nigga. Hey, I be feeling like I was Tucci. I need all these hoes who groupies, and these hoes be wetter than jacuzzis. And all they want to do is do me. I roll them doobies, nigga, with Rodney. And my money long, I smoke broccoli. I can serve all that cottage cheese. I'm bagging up for them college fiends. I'm swerving. Gone. Back. These niggas just mad. Can't stop clutching that mouth. Woo. Man, that was crazy. I like that beat, though. That was a nice video, though.